Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're going to talk vanilla extract. We're going to talk about the shelf life of vanilla extract. Now, I know vanilla extract seems a little basic, but it's pretty important, right? It's used in ice cream, cookies, everything that you probably like to eat has it in there. So you want to make sure that the vanilla extract that you have at home is as fresh and ready to use when you're ready to use it. So let me show you how. Okay, so vanilla extract. A few interesting things about vanilla. One, the vanilla bean itself is actually the fruit from this unique orchid that is actually native to Mexico and Central America. The funny thing about it, it's the only orchid that has this fruit that we actually harvest. No other orchid is that way. And another thing that's kind of funny about it is the name vanilla derives from the Latin word vagina, or the Latin word for vagina. So, hey, there you go. Vanilla, it might seem basic, but there's this whole vajayjay thing it has going on too. A really funny part of the vanilla bean story, or vanilla in general, is that it was actually brought to America by Thomas Jefferson. So when he was over in France, he witnessed them making this amazing ice cream product that no one else really knew about it, and he was just loved it. So when he came back to America from that trip, he brought the recipe over. And actually that actual recipe that he brought over is actually stored in the Library of Congress. So hey, vanilla is not as basic as you might think. But the thing that's important is if you're using it, you want to make sure that whatever you're using is fresh. So if you're using pure vanilla extract, here's the thing. By law, pure vanilla extract has to be 35% alcohol. And because of that, the shelf life of it, when stored properly, is pretty much forever. That means a dark, cool, dry place. Nowhere near heat, not above the oven, nothing like that. In the pantry, somewhere far away, it will last for a very, very long time. There is a gotcha. The thing is, if you really want to get the most out of that vanilla extract, you probably want to use it within 5 years. While it might last 50, you really don't want to keep it around that long. So use whatever vanilla extract you have. If it's pure vanilla extract, you want to make sure that you use it within 5 years, though it can go longer. Now, imitation vanilla, that's a whole other story. It doesn't have the same requirements when it comes to being 35% alcohol. And as a result, it doesn't have quite the same shelf life. It's probably going to last you 2 to 3 years, and that's about it. But you should really be using the pure stuff anyway, because it just tastes better. So that's all there really is to it. If you have pure vanilla extract in your household, you want to make sure to use it up within 5 years. If you have the imitation stuff, just a couple, and that's all it takes. So hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if there's something that you want to know about or something you want to see, drop a comment below. And I release new cooking videos every couple weeks, so make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.